Okay, good evening. Welcome to
MinuteMath109.
MinuteMath number 109. Today is a geometry problem. It's a little bit more than what we've done in geometry, but I thought we'd go through it anyway because just by coincidence this morning we were talking about an important theorem in geometry called the
Pythagorean theorem.
And this problem uses the Pythagorean theorem twice, actually. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What is the perimeter of trapezoid ABCD? Unlabeled trapezoid ABCD. ABCD. There we go. And this is from the Mathematical Association of America's MinuteMath blog. Okay, so we have to find the perimeter. What does perimeter mean, by the way?
It means the distance all the way around it.
Okay, and
so in other words, we just have to find what this is.
yeah, we just have to find this side here, and we don't know much about this side.
When we make a line here, then and this is 50 from there.
Aha, okay, so what do we actually only have to find?
We just have to find this and this.
Aha, okay. And let's just make our lives easy and say that those are right angles. Let's pretend we dropped something straight down and made a right angle there. Okay, so what can you tell me?
This is 24 as well.
Very good, very good.
This actually isn't too hard.
No, actually you drew the exact right line. That line is
because
exactly
for
what
this
we
one,
had to draw. Okay, back up a little.
This one is 24 squared plus x squared equals 25 squared.
Aha, okay, great. Wonderful. Do you know what 25 squared is?
No.
It's 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So it's 5 to the 4th.
It's 625.
Very good. Back up. 24 squared plus x squared equals 625. Now we got to figure out what 24 squared is.
Let's do that.
Okay, let's do it real quick. 24 times 24.
It's 400.
It's 20 times 20, which is 400.
And then 80.
20 times 4 is 80.
80.
4 times 20 is 80.
And then 16.
Okay. So that's, it ends in a 6. What's 80 plus 80 plus 10?
It's 170.
170 plus 400 is 576. Okay. So we have 576 plus x squared equals 625. Okay, now how far do we have to go to get from 576 to 625?
Well, 576 to 100 is 24.
576 to where?
To 600.
600 is 24.
And then it's 25 more.
So how far do we have to go?
You have to go 49.
Aha, isn't that lucky? So x is
7.
7. X is 7. So that x is 7. Okay, we only got to figure out this one thing. And luckily we already know what 24 squared is. So give me the equation, Pythagorean.
It's 576 plus y squared is 900.
Okay, now how far do we have to go to get to 900?
So y squared is, well, it's 324.
324. Okay, so we have to find y such that y squared equals 324. Do you happen to know the answer to that?
No.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. It is an integer.
That's
What sort of squares end in the number 4? What number do they start
well,
with?
2.
Or end with, I mean, sorry. What
2.
number do they can end with a 2 or they can end with a
8.
8. Okay. So my hint to you is that this is an integer. Y squared equals 324 is solved by an integer. It either ends in a 2 or an 8. What do you think it is?
What about 28 squared?
Okay. Well,
that's bigger than. How about 18 squared?
how about 18 squared? Why is 18 squared a good guess?
Because it's close to 400, so is that.
It's close to 400 and less than 400, so it's got to be less than 20. So your choices are 12 squared or 18 squared. But 12 squared is
12 squared is 144.
So this is 18. Okay, so that's 18. So what's the perimeter here? What calculation do we have to do now to get the perimeter?
So this is 18 plus 7 is 25 plus 50 is 75.
Okay, so the bottom's 75. Now what do we have to add on?
Plus 30 plus 25 plus 50.
And this is?
Well, 75 plus 25 is 100. It's 180.
Bullseye. Good job. Is that a good problem?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's the Pythagorean theorem to start the day and to end the day.
What a perfect day.